If you take G3 math, this is the most common expansion mistake that I see across Sec 1 all the way until even Sec 4. Now, when a lot of students see an expansion like that, for example, a plus b squared, automatically your mind thinks, oh, I need to put the square into here and put the square into here and I'll get a squared plus b squared. This is absolutely wrong, and please don't make this mistake, because when you make this mistake in the earlier portions of the question, you will ECF all the way, and as a result, you will fail the question even if your thought process is correct. So always remember, right? A plus b squared will always be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A minus b squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A plus b times a minus b will give me a squared minus b squared. So these are the three important expressions, the algebraic formulas that you need to remember, because in the whole entire syllabus, there is not one of them that will give you a squared plus b squared. So a squared plus b squared does not exist. Okay, it's only this, or this. And please don't ever make this mistake again, because you will lose a lot of precious marks. And imagine the whole exam, you make this mistake in part A, and even though your part B, part C, part D, you are using the correct thinking, the correct values, because you get this wrong value, you will ECF all the way and fail the question, even though you can still get some small mathematics here and there. But overall, you will still fail the question. So please don't make this mistake. And to all secondary 2 students especially, this is when during this time of the year you're starting to learn this concept, right? Make sure to commit them to your memory. I always stress this at my math tuition center called A1 Math Academy, where I tell my students, you have to commit all of these to memory. These 3 are going to serve you very well throughout whole entire secondary school journey, so make sure you commit them to your memory. Okay, and if you need more help in secondary 2 math, or even in Sec 3, Sec 4 math, WhatsApp this number here and I'll send you details to my classes at my math tuition center, where you can come in and get tutored by me personally. But if you're staying too far and if you'd like to just learn online, I've created an online library where I teach this entire chapter from scratch, as well as every single other chapter in the whole syllabus from scratch as well, that you can get access to immediately, as quickly as today. For more information, WhatsApp this number and I'll send you the details there.